Yo, what's up, everybody? It's the anime archaeologist here, and this is our first video. Today, we're gonna be doing a nice little best girl tier list from One Piece. I know it's a very, very common, very hot anime right now in the community. Got another person there with me, Hypno. You wanna take it away?
Yo, it's good.
We're just a couple of weebs here. Figure we make some content for the tubes. But yeah, we're gonna get right into this basically. Figure we not waste too much time. Are you watching my screen?
Yeah.
Alright, you see what we got first, right?
Is that the girl from that was helping Caesar?
Yeah, Monet.
Nice.
I'm gonna say immediate S tier for me.
Why is that?
Dude, I think she's gotta be one of the I mean, I don't know what I can say on YouTube, but man, something about her stirs me the right way.
Weird.
Weird. Shut the fuck up.
Mm, maybe a B.
B? That's so low for her. What? Dude, she's so fine. And she actually is one of the few people that died.
Yeah.
At least A for that. I mean, come on now.
Fine. A.
That. Alright, next up we got. I think this is the girl who was helping Black Maria in Wano. She kind of had like a snake smile fruit, I think.
Yeah, I have no clue.
I don't know. She can go into C tier because I like her hair. This is a celestial dragon. They can go into D tier for dragon.
Oh,
Fuck them.
oh yeah,
Oh,
that is
what?
her.
Yeah. Oh, you're talking about the snake girl?
Yeah.
Yep. Next we got Princess Vivi Nefertari.
S tier.
S. Come on, she's like gotta be C tier. What? Just kidding. I don't know. I think she's a little overrated, but I'm willing to go S tier, I suppose. What are your thoughts on her?
I don't fucking know.
Pathetic.
Who's that?
I can't exactly tell. So D tier just because I don't remember you. This is someone from Kaido's army.
D tier.
D tier. This is Nami's mom. Stepmom, whatever you want to call her, adopted mom. I mean, in terms of being a good character, gotta be like A tier, maybe B tier. But in terms of like what we're all here for, the looks, I guess, so to speak, gotta be like low C. Maybe B. Bellamere, is that her name?
I don't fucking remember her name.
What are we thinking, Rob? B or C?
C.
Who is this next one? She's some princess looking. Is she from the Charlotte family? I have no idea. D tier. Oh my God, it's Big Mom's mama, whatever her name was. Mother. Remember her? I think this is her when she was young too. You, you not remember?
Yeah.
Oh, couldn't hear you. What do you think about her?
D.
D. Immediate D for her? Damn. Fuck you, I guess. This looks like this bitch. I don't know who you are either, so D. Reiju. I think that's her name, right? Or Reiji, Reiju, something like that.
S.
S. Yeah, I'm honestly even over Vivi for me. She is fire. What she did to Luffy, I think any man would just die to have happen.
Oh, from.
Yeah, for real.
Damn. Who's
Um,
that?
she ate the kilo fruit, right? Is that what it's called?
Don't
She can float super high because she changes her weight, and she comes down like a drill. I'll give her a C tier, just because she's a bit of a looker.
Cap.
Just that ugly hat. I mean, if she was any better, she'd be higher for her looks, but she is fine. This is an Amazon woman. She can go C tier. Boa Hancock. Here's a hot take that I want to save for later, so don't say anything yet.
Yeah.
Oh, this is I don't remember her name, but
You
she
can give
was.
her an A.
You give her an A?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's prison guard from Impel Down or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was fire. There was another one that had like blonde hair. She was fire too. Ooh, my girl in the manga right now. She's going off. She's turning heads. She's Bonnie, and I don't care what you say. She's going in the S tier, even if it's low S.
Oh.
Yeah, she is one of the best girls in One Piece.
How?
I mean, let's go back to when we first met her in Sabaody, where Zoro was just walking around doing his own thing, getting lost, and tries to pick a fight with celestial dragons, and Bonnie comes in like the champ she is and stops him, saves the fucking day. She infiltrated Marie Joie while the Revolutionary Army was also sneaking in there to get Kuma out. She's she's awesome. She's epic. And one of her latest panels in the manga, Oda did us Oda did us wonders. Yeah, that's why she's S tier though. Who's this? Oh, that's the doctor from what's it called? Zoe, like the assistant nurse that Chopper liked. You know?
Uh, B.
B. Ooh, our first B tier. You like your little reindeer, Robert? You little furry bastard. Is this a Foxy Pirate? It
Mm,
is. You're going B tier. Maybe C. You kind of have nice hair.
see.
You say C?
Yeah.
Works for me.
Shot.
Yeah, I'll give it to her. She's a looker. The stupid mask looks dumb on her though. What was her name? I don't know her name, but she's the fish woman who's married to the second in command of Jinbei's old
Yeah.
crew. Also part of
D.
the Charlotte family. What'd you give her?
D.
Fuck no, bro. I think she's underrated as fuck, bro. I think B tier, low key.
Weird.
We can go C tier. I mean, her mouth, yeah, it's a little fishy,
She's
but
not attractive.
dude,
Nothing about her.
dude,
She's
I can
ugly.
I can see some redeeming qualities in her.
No.
I see the light in her darkness.
Weird.
What's her name, bro? I don't even know. I'm not gonna bother looking it up either. Who is that? I don't know, but she looks kind of hot.
Can't even see her fucking face.
I know, but she's got a nice bod.
That doesn't mean shit.
Yeah, facts. I mean, every One Piece girl has the same body almost. I don't know. She got a panda mask on. I'll give you a B tier for her pandas. Nojiko, Nami's sister.
She's hot.
I think she's overrated. I've heard some high claims about her in the community.
What?
I mean, there's a lot of people rate her highly. I think she's like B tier, maybe A.
B.
Give her a high B. Koala. That's at least A tier for me.
She fine.
I don't know who this is. No clue. D tier. Long arm tribe member. Don't recall you at all. D tier. Now this. She was an underrated baddie back in Fishman Island. The fortune telling girl.
Oh yeah.
The she's some sort of shark. Yeah, she was a catch, to say the least. Had to grab me an extra Mountain Dew. So what are you thinking on Madame Clairvoyance, whatever her name is?
um. A.
Hey, okay. I was gonna give her like a B, but I can work with A.
That one person with the yellow beanie thing you put on D is part of Trafalgar's crew.
This girl?
Trafalgar?
Yeah. This girl?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll give you C tier then, just because Trafalgar D. Waterloo is my favorite character. Who is that? Some sort of Charlotte family member? Yeah, you're not bad. C tier. Is that Rebecca?
Yes.
Why is she in that outfit? Wait, there's another Rebecca.
Nice.
Rebecca's borderline S tier for me. I mean, it's hard not to be when you have a monkey brain like me. And she wore that outfit for like a whole freaking um arc.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
S tier?
Yes, sir.
S
Yes.
tier. Yes, yes tier. Yes tier. Yes tier. All right, I'm gonna say it. Hot take. These bitches were
Hot as
underrated.
fuck.
Hot as fuck. They're kind of hot. I'm not gonna cap. I don't care about the nose. I don't care about the hair. Their face
Facts.
works, and
Facts.
they got a rockin' style about them. I can get down with the Frankie family.
Hell yeah.
I'm giving them A tier, honestly.
Sounds about right.
I don't know who that is, but she's kind of naked.
Yeah.
So B tier for that. I don't know who that is either, but wait. No. Yeah, I have no idea. B tier again, because you're fine. You kind of have a big forehead. C tier. You can go up mid though.
Ooh.
This is the
Makina.
girl. This is the girl. Is that her name, Makima?
I think so.
From Luffy's home village. Yeah, I give her like a B tier maybe. What do you think?
Oh, Makino.
Makino. He's thinking about
Yeah, B tier.
he's thinking about Chainsaw Man.
Yeah.
Shirahoshi. Here's a popular one. What are your thoughts on Shirahoshi, Rob?
Mm, A tier.
A tier. I can get down with that. A lot of people say S tier, and I wouldn't quite go that far. I'd put her like right there. Might be Little Koala and Monet. I don't know who this is. Wait, is that Ace's mom? You're in charge of looking this shit up, by the way.
Um, don't think so.
Portuguese de Rouge.
Doesn't look like her.
I have no idea. Then. So you're fine. But I don't know who you are. So top C tier. Ooh, Baby Seven. Is that her name?
Uh, no.
Baby
Yes.
Five. Baby.
35.
Yeah. She is definitely one of the best girls in that whole arc as well. She was
Yeah.
really ready. She was really ready to fucking kill herself for that dude. What was his name? Sai?
Yeah.
An enemy, bro. I'll feel useful. I'll be useful to you. I'll gladly take my life. What the fuck? Crazy bitch. I need that little crazy. I need that crazy in my life. Ain't there? Thoughts?
um, that's fine.
Um, who's that little kid from Big Mom's crew? I'm gonna put her in D tier because she was annoying and injured Luffy.
Yeah.
I don't know who this is.
Oh, she looks like a mermaid.
Yeah, she does. Got a starfish sort of thing. Alright, C tier. High C tier. Long,
Get that thing in D here.
long neck shot. I don't know, man. That head game, though.
No.
That head game, though. Bro, that shit would go.
No.
Holy shit. I don't know who that is, but I don't recall ever seeing you, but you're a baddie. Actually, you're quite the baddie. I'm putting you in the high B.
B.
I'm thinking
I
so.
know.
What are you thinking?
Hmm.
You're not feeling B?
Uh, yeah, B's fine.
I don't know who this is either. Or this, or this, or this. That's Sanji's mom.
Oh, that next one is Ace's mom. After Sanji's mom.
Oh, yeah. You're kind of ugly detail. You're.
Kind of fine.
I can't even tell.
I mean, she has a decent face. Definitely better than the next one. SCC.
This one's
Maybe.
this one's for fucking kid. This one, yeah, you can go see. You're kind of ugly, but you can go upper D for the titties.
What?
What? Vegan Smoke, whatever your name was. What are your thoughts on her?
She wasn't that attractive.
Well, she's like a charming though. She's like attractive in a charming way.
Mm. See.
She, yeah, dude, my man's Sanji mom dirty like that. You gotta at least settle for B, low B.
Fine.
She's alright, you know. She's got a motherly charm to her. Portuguese de Rouge, B or C.
Mm. Hot. Definitely better looking than Sanji's mom.
Dude, cap. That's just
Nah,
cap.
Cap.
That's
She's
cap.
so hot.
That's cap.
Nah,
She's not that bad.
Cap.
She ain't that much of a baddie. I'd give her
Cap.
like B tier. I think I'd put her right about here.
Imagine.
Right below Sanji's mom. I don't know. Where you want her?
I don't care.
Well, then we'll put the milfs together. Oh, that's Kami. Wow, Kami.
Who?
Kami, the mermaid.
Oh.
She's
Yeah,
like, I'd be more inclined to say B.
very fine, B.
I don't know. I don't like her hair. Her hair really turns me away.
Why?
I don't know.
Weirdo.
Something about it. I don't like the style of it. I also hate how they always make her give those goofy ass facial reactions. What's her name? Perona?
Yep.
God, she's so fucking hot.
What?
She's got to go up into S.
Kind of annoying.
Yeah, you're not wrong. But the eyes make up for it. It's all in the eyes, dude. Those fucking eyes have me like in a trance. Fuck the shit out of her. What?
Whoa.
um, let's see here. We're 25 minutes in. Jesus. We've got next up. I don't know who that is, but she's bad, so I'll give her a B tier. I don't know who this one is either. But she's cute. I'll give her like a C tier. Nami. Oh, the fiery red hot cat burglar of the Straw Hat Pirates. Arguably your favorite character, if I had to guess.
Yes.
I didn't hear you. What'd you say? You cut out.
Yes.
Yeah, kind of gotta put her in S tier. Question is, how far up? If we're doing, wait, hold on. We gotta get this accurate. Hold on. We gotta get this a little bit more accurate.
A little bit more accurate.
I think Perona over Bonnie, honestly.
I think Nami goes above the ghost bitch.
Ooh. Oh, see, if it was mine, I'd probably put her above Rebecca. That's it. I think I like these four all better than Nami.
Weird.
Not weird. We'll settle in the middle then. Viola. That's another S tier. I'm not gonna count.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think she's right above Rebecca as well.
I thought she's Rebecca over her.
You choose Rebecca over her? Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I just don't like how she talks, kinda like her voice.
It's like her accent?
Yeah.
What? That's part of the allure, bro. She's got like
Yeah.
that sexy Spanish flow to her.
Yeah.
You're weird for that. You're actually fucking weird for that. Another mermaid. You can go see tier. Another Amazon girl. She was funny. She was like, "Why do you have a mushroom growing on you?" I'll give her a C tier for that. High C. Is this Smoker Tashigi?
Yes.
Ah, high A. High A. Holy fuck. The way Smoker had her dressing was peak. Fucking peak.
Yes, sir. Oh, who the fuck's that?
I don't know who that is. Or that. Or that. You can go C tier, D tier, D tier. Sound good?
Yeah.
And then
C tier.
what?
No, C. I put her C.
What was her name? Talifa?
I don't fucking know.
Something like that. C tier, yeah. She got a big ass forehead. That's gonna be a recurring theme in a lot of my picks here. You'll notice later on.
I think this bitch is cool.
Yeah, like for like a long neck girl. She's
Yeah.
honestly kinda pretty hot. She's kinda like a goth girlfriend.
Yeah.
I'd say at least B.
Yes. At least B. Mm.
I don't know who this is. Kinda looks familiar.
Hold on. No clue. Wait, Charlotte. She's a Charlotte woman.
I was about to say, she kind of looks like a Charlotte. She's kind of cute. Give her like a C tier. Like mid C.
Yep.
This girl was cute. Skypea. Even like low C for her.
Yeah, Robin.
Oh, Nico Robin! Fuck! That's best girl of the series right here, folks. You're looking at her.
Cab.
Not Cap. Not Cap at all. Alright, let's hear it then. You want to do this now? Who's best girl?
Hmm. Yeah, I just don't know.
Fucking pathetic. Surprised you didn't say Boa Midcock.
Fuck no.
Well, while we're on the topic, let's get her out of the way now. Boa Hancock. I think
You give her an A.
she is like B or A tier, and A is like being generous because of those legs and them titties. Let's be real here. She has a fucking 6 head, no, an 8 head. Her fucking forehead goes to the goddamn moon, bruh. I can't stand how everybody just fucking pussy rides this bitch.
That's funny.
They are all over her fucking meat flaps. Pisses me off. She's so fucking mid. If Luffy gets her there at the end of the series, garbage fucking show. Anime is trash. Going in the fucking shitter.
No.
Alright, and here we have Nico Robin's mom, Nico Olivia. Well, looks just like Robin, so it's only fitting that she goes right about there. No, I'm just kidding. She can go like B tier. She's pretty decent. Wait, where's the other moms?
Oh yeah.
Put them at the top of them too. I like her white hair. I don't know who this is. You do. This is the Foxy girl. I think she was low-key kind of bad.
I mean, Foxy girl.
She's in the Foxy Pirates. She was like one of the more vocal people.
I don't remember.
What? She's like at least B. I don't know who this is either, but she's fine. C. Rebecca again. You can stay down here. Who is this? Oh, that's Senor Pink's woman.
Imagine.
Oh,
Get out of here.
get her out of here. You can go into D tier for getting concussed. You shouldn't have went outside in that mudslide or whatever the fuck it was.
Yes.
What are we thinking about Vice Admiral, whatever her name is? If she's even a Vice Admiral. She makes her devil fruits like that one where she creates like those steel bars, wraps them around people.
B.
B, yeah, she's pretty fine. She's familiar. I feel like she had something to do with the Revolutionary Army, like they saved her.
No clue. Don't remember.
C tier. Who the fuck are you and why are you in D tier already? Oh,
Sean's woman.
Sanji's girl. 3-Eye member. Charlotte Pudding. What are we thinking?
B.
Cap. That's A. She's an A. She's a little cutie. Plus, she's useful. She'll read the poneglyphs for you.
Is that
Thoughts?
useful? Because Robin can do that too.
And that's why she's best girl, buddy.
Nah. Next.
What?
Next.
Oh, you that's it on B?
Yeah, B.
Fuck you. Charlotte Smoothie. She was a sleeper
Smoothie
pick.
S tier.
S tier. All right, bro. Hold up.
She's fine, bro. Like, what do you
She's
mean?
fine. She's fine. She's an underrated sleeper pick at that. But S tier?
Yeah.
My brother in Christ, I want what you're smoking. S tier?
What do you mean, bro? She's
I'll give her A tier. But you're telling
Bro.
me she's in the likes of Viola?
Fine. High S tier.
High
I
S
mean, high
tier.
A tier. High
You
A
got me
tier.
fucked up. She's going in high S tier. All right, fine. I'll put a regular Monet. Just because I still think Monet got robbed of S tier. I don't know who that is. She's kind of ugly though. Got big old titties.
Don't know. D.
D. Don't know you either.
No clue.
She's not bad. Kind of looks like Robin in a way. C tier. This is the girl that when Sanji went back home, and this is like one of the maid girls,
Oh,
and they were
yeah.
being rude to her. Yeah, and Sanji stuck up for her. She's a B tier.
Yeah.
Oh, now this girl right here is A tier for me. I don't know what it was about her, but her like dominatrix-esque persona, while also like she kind of like degrades the people, but she also like encourages them with her devil fruit and makes them want to fight and shit. It's weird. It's it fucking turns me on if I'm being quite honest. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I know fuck she is, to be honest.
What?
Yeah, I don't
Dude.
remember.
Dude, the Revolutionary Army when they went to invade that one place right before Marie Joie. Her name was Betty or something, I think. And there's her. There's like some like jackrabbit guy, I think. There was this giant miner dude. I think I remember this. Saba was there.
I just don't remember her.
Fucking pathetic.
She's not, though.
Yeah, she is. She's got big old bitties. A tier. Carrot. S tier. I'm just saying it now. I don't care. Call me a furry if you want, everybody. Carrot's S tier. Thoughts?
And now, what you're smoking.
What do you mean, dude?
Still think Smoothie is better than her.
You're fucking full of shit.
How, bro?
Smoothie is dude. She's too unproportional. She's too big.
I don't give a fuck.
Like it doesn't feel right with her. Carrot's fucking cute and sexy all in one. I don't give a fuck. I'll say it. They got her allure down to the fucking pinpoint somehow.
I don't know.
Well, who's next? I don't know who that
That
is. D tier. That's one of the Charlotte daughters.
No.
She was kind of bad.
Yeah. Thought that was from one of the Cairo Pirates.
Nah. I recognize her. She was one of the evil looking. She was like a resting bitch face. She's one of the Charlotte daughters for sure.
B.
B, yeah, I give her B. Now this, out of everybody on Amazon Lily, this was probably my favorite one. Right here.
I probably have the hottest one.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Yes.
Above Boa Midcock. Above a couple. Here's the other girl. Sadie or whatever. You can go with the other one. Where's the right here. Those two. Oh! I'd let them do things to me. Here is Shocky, one of the former queens of the Kuja Pirates, or Amazon Lily or whatever. Rayleigh's girl, you know?
C.
See? Did you say C?
Yes.
You cut out sometimes, so I can't tell.
D.
B?
D.
I'm saying B.
I'm saying D. Put her in D.
I mean, they don't have the other one, the third Boa sister, the big one, but like the really big one. She
would have also been a D.
She would also be D, but I'm thinking she's like a C. Actually, she's like a low C because she's better than the other one, and the other one's D. What's better than D? C. Like I think that logic sounds pretty fucking sound if you ask me.
Okay.
I don't know. Another mermaid? You can go into C. Ooh, what's her name? Stussy?
No.
Part of Cypher Pool. Age is 0. I think she's like a high B, low key.
She ain't fucking strong.
Yeah, she is. Or she wouldn't be part of Cypher Pool. Oh, God. No idea. So you go C tier. Kind of fine. No, another mermaid. C tier. Is that Rebecca again?
Yeah.
I don't know who this is. Some Navy. You can go C tier. Usopp's mama. She fucking bad, bro. No, I'm just playing. She's got to be like C tier though, right? I didn't see much of her, just her face, but she could be worse.
Cap.
Now we're down to the final one. Skinny Alvida. Now this for some good discussions right here. If this was old Alvida, where would we place her?
What?
Before she ate that devil fruit that made her skinny.
D.
Nah, bro, you tweaking. She's got to be S.
Before she ate, she was a D. Right now, she's like an A. A or S.
A or S? She got her high. I was gonna put her B. I'll put her A. there we have it. That is our complete One Piece best girl tier list. Anything we want to change, specifically in the S tier?
No.
So, are we just officially awarding Nico Robin best girl? You have any other claims you want to put in last segment? Or any others?
No.
You sure you don't want to put Smoothie up there, buddy? You seem to like Smoothie a lot. Sure she's not your best girl? Pathetic. Well, that about wraps it up. We got our first tier list done. Took us about 45 minutes. Not too bad. I think there was like, I don't even know. There's like 40 something, 30 something, I think, different ones. Wait, no, did I pick a different one? This one might have a lot more. I don't even know. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys could. We'd appreciate it if you leave a like and comment on the video down below. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Up and coming, we're going to make it. You know how it is. Peace out.